Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is rampant. It's pronounced rampant, and it's spelt R-A-M-P-A-N-T. Think ramp, and then just pop a little tiny ant on the end. Rampant describes something bad which becomes worse or heightened quickly and in an uncontrolled way. For example, you could describe crime or disease as rampant if it was spreading rapidly. The word rampant comes from the Middle English for standing on hind legs, like a lion. Over time, the word changed to mean fierce or ravenous, like a lion, and then into its modern meaning. I'm not quite sure what the association with lion was, but it seems to have persisted throughout time. I suppose you could say something rampant is also fierce, as it's aggressive and out of control. Did you know that nearly 100 wildfires are running rampant in the USA at the moment? These out-of-control fires have forced thousands to flee and have destroyed entire towns. They can be described as rampant as they spread rapidly and are very difficult to control. Rampant is a word with negative connotations. It refers to something bad. For example, you wouldn't describe the flowers in your garden as rampant, but you could call the overgrown weeds rampant. Therefore, be careful how you use this word. Rampant is defined in the dictionary as something unwelcome or unpleasant, flourishing or spreading unchecked. Rampant synonyms include uncontrolled, unrestrained, unchecked, unbridled, and widespread. Antonyms include controlled, regulated, managed, supervised, gentle, mild, moderate, and limited. See if you can notice anything rampant today. Remember that only something negative or bad can be described as rampant. Have a top day, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.